Birds are so much fun, but hey, back here at home, our next rainmaker will be moving across the area starting Tuesday. Now, Monday, that's going to be a day where you want to make some preparations. If you have anything outdoors on your patios or on your lanai, make sure you move it inside because we are expecting excess rainfall to work its way in starting Tuesday all the way through the following weekend. We have all of this moisture we're going to see building in from the Caribbean Sea. You can see the precipitable water when we have this over us showing those deeper purples. That means we're going to see those heavier downpours of that tropical moisture across the state of Florida that could potentially lead to localized flooding. Now, here's one of the model runs, the GFS American model, showing anywhere between 4 to 7 inches of rainfall across some neighborhoods in excess, up to 6 to almost 8, even 10 inches of rainfall across South Florida. So again, this is one of the model runs. You can see on the western half of the state, the bullseye showing almost 15 up to 16 inches of rainfall from Lee County all the way into Collier County. And as for us across the Treasure Coast to South Florida, again, this will be over the course of several days, but we're talking 2 inches a day. At most, we could see up to 3 to 4 inches. And with the rain training over the same locations, we know very well low-lying areas can flood very easily. Now, here's the European model, which is also in somewhat agreement that we're going to see a lot of rain over the course of that brand new work week all the way through the following weekend as well. Anywhere between 5 to 8 inches across the Treasure Coast, 6 up to even 10 inches across South Florida and inland portions there of Palm Beach County. So again, these numbers will vary, but just to give you an idea, we are looking at a lot of rain in a short period of time that could lead to flooding, which would be one of the biggest impacts from that tropical moisture. Regardless if it gets a name or not, we're still going to be dealing with the effects of that very heavy rainfall. So we're still looking at the 90s for your Monday, but with that rain and cloud coverage pretty much all day long, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, even through Friday, that'll at least give us some relief from the heat with temperatures only in the mid to lower 80s. Right now on radar, starting to see a couple showers and storms in inland portions of Palm Beach County and also Okeechobee. As we fast forward throughout the rest of this evening, we could see a couple of those showers drifting across towards the coastal areas, but really limited in nature. Heading into your Monday, starting off the morning, nice, dry, and quiet, but after lunchtime, we're going to start to see some showers and storms rolling in, lasting all the way through at least that early half of the evening hours for you. Again, make those preparations to move anything outdoors inside, and if you have anything that could get ruined, of course, make plans for that as well. But look what happens Tuesday, that surge of moisture moving in. We're going to see rounds of heavy rainfall pushing across the Sunshine State. There's a look again heading into 10 to lunchtime, still dealing with on and off very heavy rain, showers and downpours, and the potential for 1 or 2 stronger thunderstorms. This will pretty much be all day throughout your Tuesday, and then we're expecting the same pretty much setup heading into your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So we're looking at widespread rain, localized flooding, isolated storms in the mix, and the chance for, again, very isolated but not ever zero across the area for a waterspout or a tornado, so we will be on the lookout for that. But excessive rainfall pretty much expected starting for your Tuesday, Wednesday, and for your Thursday. But again, the nice big trade-off is it will not be as hot with temperatures in the mid to lower 80s. And heading into Sunday, next Sunday, rather, that's Father's Day, we do see a little bit of that rain tapering off and some drier weather making a little bit more of a return across the area.
All right, thank you, Brooke. Nearly 150 seniors